Welcome back, Dino enthusiasts, to the one and only Dino Action Figures channel. Get ready for jaw-dropping adventures, mind-boggling facts, and epic battles with your favorite prehistoric creatures. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and join us as we journey through time to unleash the ultimate dino excitement. It's time to let the action begin on Dino Action Figures. Dilophosaurus was a medium-sized dinosaur, measuring about 20 feet, 6 meters in length. It had a slender body with long, powerful hind legs and shorter arms. Its most distinctive feature was a pair of crests on its head, which were probably used for display rather than defense. The crests of Dilophosaurus were thin and hollow, possibly serving as visual signals to communicate with other members of its species, or to attract mates. There is a popular misconception that Dilophosaurus had venomous saliva due to its portrayal in the movie Jurassic Park. However, there is no scientific evidence to support this idea. Fossils of Dilophosaurus have been found in the southwestern United States and China. These fossils have provided scientists with valuable information about the anatomy and behavior of this fascinating dinosaur. Dracorex was a herbivorous dinosaur and belonged to the family of Pachycephalosaurs. It had a unique appearance with a dome-shaped head that was adorned with spikes and bumps. Its name Dracorex means Dragon King, which reflects its dragon-like appearance. The distinctive feature of Dracorex was its elaborate skull. It had a large bony dome on top of its head, which is believed to have served as a display structure for species recognition or courtship rituals. The spikes and bumps added to its striking appearance. Dracorex was a relatively small dinosaur compared to some of its relatives. It measured about 13 feet, 4 meters, in length and weighed around 500 to 1,000 pounds, 225 to 450 kilograms. Fossils of Dracorex were first discovered in the Hell Creek Formation of South Dakota, United States. Rhamphorhynchus belonged to a group of reptiles called Pterosaurs, which were the first vertebrates to achieve powered flight. Rhamphorhynchus had an impressive wingspan, with some specimens reaching up to 6.5 feet, 2 meters. Its body length was relatively small, measuring around 1.5 to 2.5 feet, 45 to 75 centimeters. One of the most distinctive features of Rhamphorhynchus was its long tail, which made up about half of its body length. The tail ended in a diamond-shaped vein that may have helped with flight stability and maneuverability. Rhamphorhynchus had a lightweight body with hollow bones, similar to modern birds, to facilitate flight. Its wings were formed by a membrane of skin that stretched from its elongated fourth finger to its body, creating a wing surface. One of the most distinctive features of Parasaurolophus was its elaborate cranial crest. This crest extended from the back of its skull and curved backward. It was hollow and filled with nasal passages, which scientists believe played a role in producing sounds for communication and display. Parasaurolophus was a large dinosaur, measuring about 30 feet, 9 meters in length and weighing around 2 to 3 tons. It had a long, slender body, long hind limbs for walking, and shorter front limbs. Parasaurolophus was a herbivore. Its teeth were adapted for slicing through vegetation, and its beak-like mouth helped it gather and strip leaves. The hollow crest of Parasaurolophus likely played a role in producing loud, trumpet-like sounds. Scientists believe that it may have used these calls for communication within its group, attracting mates or establishing territory. There were several species of Parasaurolophus, distinguished by variations in their crest shape and size. Some had long, straight crests, while others had shorter, more curved ones. Pachycephalosaurus is known for its thick, dome-shaped skull. The top of its skull could be up to 10 inches, 25 centimeters thick, consisting of solid bone. This bony dome provided protection and likely played a role in intraspecific combat and display. Pachycephalosaurus was a large dinosaur measuring around 15 to 20 feet, 4.5 to 6 meters in length and weighing up to 3 tons. It had a stocky body with strong hind limbs and a relatively short tail. Pachycephalosaurus was a herbivore, primarily feeding on plants such as ferns, cycads, and other vegetation that grew in its habitat during the late Cretaceous period. Pachycephalosaurus walked on its hind legs, with shorter arms that it likely used for balance. Its hind limbs were strong and built for rapid movement, allowing it to navigate its environment efficiently. Different species of Pachycephalosaurus had variations in the shape and size of their domed skulls. Velociraptor Echo is portrayed as a velociraptor with predominantly green and brown coloration. Like other velociraptors, Echo has a slender body, long tail, sharp claws, and a tooth-filled snout. In the Jurassic World movie, Echo is depicted as an intelligent and highly trainable dinosaur. Along with her fellow velociraptors, she is able to understand commands from her human trainers and work together as a team. Echo, as a velociraptor, exhibits pack behavior, working closely with her packmates to hunt and communicate. This behavior is shown in the film as they coordinate their movements and strategies during various hunting sequences. Velociraptors, including Echo, are depicted as having a complex system of vocalizations and body language for communication. These sounds and gestures help them coordinate within their pack and convey messages to one another. It's important to note that Velociraptor Echo is a fictional character created for the Jurassic World movie franchise. Suchomimus gets its name from the Greek word suchos, meaning crocodile, and mimos, meaning mimic. This name refers to its resemblance to modern crocodiles due to its long snout and narrow jaws. Suchomimus was a large dinosaur reaching lengths of around 36 to 40 feet, 11 to 12 meters, and weighing up to 4 to 6 tons. It had a long and slender body with a relatively small head in proportion to its body size. Suchomimus is known for its specialized adaptations for fishing. It had long, narrow jaws filled with sharp, interlocking teeth that were ideal for catching fish. Its snout was also equipped with sensory pits, similar to those found in crocodiles, to detect movement in the water. Fossils of Suchomimus were discovered in the Sahara Desert of Niger in West Africa. The fossils include a nearly complete skeleton, which has provided scientists with valuable information about the anatomy and lifestyle of this dinosaur. Suchomimus is believed to have lived both on land and in aquatic environments, specifically near river systems and coastal regions. Its adaptations for fishing indicate that it likely spent a significant amount of time in water hunting for fish. Tyrannosaurus rex was a large dinosaur measuring up to 40 feet, 12 meters in length, and standing about 15 to 20 feet, 4.6 to 6 meters tall. It had a massive head with sharp, serrated teeth, strong jaws, and short, powerful arms with two-fingered hands. T-Rex was a top predator of its time, ruling the late Cretaceous period, around 68 to 66 million years ago. Its strong bite force and sharp teeth allowed it to efficiently hunt and feed on other dinosaurs and large herbivores. Despite its large size, T-Rex was a fast runner. Scientists estimate that it could reach speeds of up to 20 to 25 miles per hour, 32 to 40 kilometers per hour, in short bursts. T-Rex was a carnivorous dinosaur, meaning it primarily ate meat. It would use its powerful jaws to bite into its prey, inflicting fatal wounds with its sharp teeth. T-Rex was an opportunistic hunter and may have scavenged on the remains of dead animals as well. T-Rex had relatively small arms compared to the rest of its body. Despite their size, they were still strong and capable of gripping. The exact function of these arms is still debated among scientists, with theories ranging from aiding in mating rituals to assisting in pushing the dinosaur up from a lying position. Fossils of Tyrannosaurus rex have been found in North America, particularly in states like Montana, Wyoming, and South Dakota. These well-preserved fossils have provided scientists with a wealth of information about the anatomy and behavior of this incredible dinosaur. And that wraps up today's video on the Dino Action Figures channel, where we dove into the thrilling world of dinosaurs. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our dino adventures. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time for more thrilling dinosaur action.